Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ServiceNow to Jira Project Sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Integration Hub by using the Application Navigator. In the Integration Hub, search for the Jira connector. Select the Jira connector to open its configuration settings. Click on the New button to create a new connection. Fill in the required fields such as connection name and description. Enter the Jira instance URL in the designated field. Provide a username and API token for authentication. Ensure the Test Connection button is clicked to verify successful connectivity. Save the connection settings once the test is successful. Next, navigate to the ServiceNow orchestration module. Select Service Catalog and then click on Catalog Items. Create a new catalog item for the Jira Project Sync. In the catalog item form, provide a name and a brief description. Go to the Workflow section and create a new workflow. Add a start activity to initiate the workflow. Integrate a Jira Create Issue action into the workflow. Configure this action by mapping ServiceNow fields to Jira fields. Make sure to include all necessary field mappings for the sync. Add a condition to check the status of the issue in ServiceNow. Create another action for Jira Update Issue to handle updates. In this action, set up the necessary mappings for updates. After configuring the workflow, click Publish to make it live. Test the workflow by creating an issue in ServiceNow. Monitor the Jira project to see if the issue appears correctly. If there are any issues, check the error logs in ServiceNow. Adjust field mappings as necessary based on error messages. Once confirmed, finalize the workflow configuration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.